excited we're getting a Cobalt?
No, not a chance.
We don't have to take the Raptor, fortunately. We got Parky here. We're taking the big boy truck. What's up, brother? Am I driving?
Yes, sir.
Boy.
Boy.
You excited?
No.
To get a Chevy Cobalt?
No.
Is that the money bag?
I like your money bag.
Thanks. Oh man, go any slower? 35. Let's go. Can't deal with this low speed. Cruising in the Midwest. Cruising down a country road to buy us a Chevy in our GMC. How you like it?
I love it.
Do you like the Chevy or the GMC?
GMC.
Are you excited we're getting a Cobalt?
No, not a chance.
What do you have against a Cobalt?
They're ugly.
It's a Cobalt.
It's a Cobalt.
It's supercharged. That's the redeeming quality. So, fun fact,
Oh! Right there! Oh, she passed by a little Cobalt.
Oh, Cobalt. Yellow Cobalt. Cobalt taxi. So, I had a black Cobalt that I sought out for a friend in high school. I was big into cars for a while, obviously, and I had a friend who was looking for a car. And so they were like, I want something sporty-ish looking, I want a coupe, it needs to be good on gas, automatic and 4-cylinder, so it was like Civic Coupe or Cobalt. And so I ended up sourcing him a Cobalt, which is sweet, but that's the only interaction I've had with a Cobalt before. So we are now getting a supercharged one, 5-speed, should be pretty good, hopefully. I've had some other fun cars before, but never a Cobalt. Down the dirt road.
Yeah, you're on the right path.
Sweet. How far are we?
23 minutes.
Sweet. Should I get a shop? Is that the next investment? No more cars or trucks. Get a new shop.
What are you gonna put in the shop?
The Bronco. I have to show you the Bronco. We are pulling up to the Walmart and we got this. Heck yeah. That's not the Cobalt, but oh my gosh. There's actual parking. Horse parking. What's up, brother?
We in Amish country.
You're in Amish country. Getting the oh, that's a lot of coin, brother.
My bad.
Should I park right here?
Not like this.
Oh, come
'Cause
on.
I'm sitting.
Perfect. Got Parky's truck and the horse. Just went into the Walmart to use the restroom, but I see the car, it's right in front of me, so I'm about to meet the seller. Would you do 16? And at 15 you're at 17? 1650. Can do that. 1650. You buying my goods?
Oh yeah.
3773. Got a new disc sander, some rubbing compound, some floor mats, and mountain barbell keeper. What? You're what? I am super happy with the purchase of this thing. I got them down to 1650, like I said, because the rust was more significant than I thought as the negotiating point. But man, this thing is solid. I'll get you a full detail or a walk around when we get home, but here it is. It's really clean for the age, and especially here in the Midwest where things rust out pretty badly. It's not bad at all. So overall, incredibly happy with it. Just cruising on the way home. It absolutely cruises. There's really nothing broken. The only light on the dash is this airbag light, but that's no big deal. Mechanically, it drives straight, runs well, so I'm happy. Love it. Oh, gotta love the detours, trying to make it work out here on these back roads. Oh man, what a mess. What a mess. At least we're in the new whip with that exhaust leak. Made it home, safe and sound. Did you like my driving? We eating good on the wing. Nice plate. Got to get the auto money plate on here. Next up, some JB Weld. Got it on the gloves, as you can see down there. I got the exhaust from the underside. Now we're going in with these. Just getting the little pinholes. Oh, and the Game Boy.
Doctor!
I get copyrighted for that.
What? Doctor?
Yeah.
Why?
Prestige. Oh no! This stuff is magic.
On your finger and you still have gloves on.
A little bit, because it's punctured, of course. So right here we have the paint coming off, which cosmetically is bad, but as you can see, there's a little tiny bit of surface rust starting to form. And so if we sand it down to bare metal and get that all eliminated, then we can not only make it look better, but also protect the paint. So I'm gonna do that really quick with the disc sander. I still have a little bit more to do, but really quick, the reason I didn't mask off any of this area is because there's rust underneath the paint that bubbled up, so I want to make sure that I get all of it. And secondly, because this is low on the car, no one's going to see the paint quality or really care. It's an 06 that I got for $1,650. So it doesn't need to be showroom perfect, just an improvement is good enough in this case. So here are the headlights on the Cobalt. Definitely pretty clouded. Definitely pretty clouded. I don't know how well you can see it, how well it's showing up on here. I'm gonna do one and then take care of the other after that, but they are far from clear, far from clean. I don't know if I want to sand it. I'm gonna try polishing it first, and if that doesn't work, then I'll sand it. So here is the interior as it stands. Pretty filthy. It didn't come with floor mats. Some light fading or tearing here. Fading here. Fading down there. Put that back. Nothing major. It's just dirty and no floor mats. And then the final issue with the interior is this horrible thing. So we'll be replacing that after we detail it and throwing in some new floor mats. It'll be a completely new interior once all that's done. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, give it a like, drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, because I thought that this car was great. I got a smoking deal on it. It was a blast. It was way more fun than I thought. And as it turns out, we're talking in the future now. I ended up driving it for free and even profitably. So if you're interested in learning how much I made on this car, that'll be in a follow-up video where I also have some fun with it. So go check that out. It should be linked down below. And if you're interested in learning how to get deals like this, how to negotiate like a pro, and what to look for on your next vehicle, whether it's a Cobalt SS or something else, then there's a program linked down below that teaches you everything that I know on how to do that. Again, if you like this video, give it a like, drop a comment, subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the whips, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.